It is about political prisoners in Tajikistan, and I would like to inform you that our side event consists of 3 parts. First part, we will give you some information about Tajikistan political parties and especially the main opposition party, the Islamic Revival Party of Tajikistan. Secondly, if the internet connection allows us to connect with Mr. Muhyiddin Kabiri, the chairman of the Islamic Revival Party of Tajikistan. So the second part will be about political prisoners in Tajikistan, past, present and future. After that, if you have any question, Mr. Muhyiddin Kabiri will answer to your questions. First, we want to give some information about Tajikistan. Tajikistan is a country located in Central Asia, and the capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe, and Tajikistan gained its independence in 1991 from the Soviet Union, and until now Imam Ali Rahman ruling the country. Tajikistan population is about 8 million, and 98% of the population is 98% of population are Muslims. In Tajikistan there are 8 parties work in Tajikistan, but right now there are 7 legal parties after banning the Islamic Revival Party last year. The government party, People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, the ruling party whose leader is Imam Ali Rahman. And the Islamic Revival Party of Tajikistan is the main opposition party. It had, until now, it had 2 seats in parliament from 2000 until 2015. And other parties like Communist Party of Tajikistan, Social Democratic Party of Tajikistan is also another real opposition party, Agrarian Party and Party of Economic Reforms, and Democratic Party and Socialist Party. And we can say there are many movements, Tajik movement like Growth 24 and like Watandor. We have some also political movements. Unfortunately, the Islamic Revival Party was banned and considered as a terrorist organization last year after a brutal crackdown that had started 2010 following the parliamentary elections. The Islamic Revival Party, here I want to concentrate in Islamic Revival Party. Islamic Revival Party was founded by Sayyid Abdullah Nuri in 1973 during Soviet Union era. Until 2015, it was the only legal Islamist party in Central Asia. The Islamic Revival Party's long-running leader and founder Sayyid Abdullah Nuri died in August 2006 of cancer and was succeeded by Mr. Muhyiddin Kabiri. Also, the Islamic Revival Party is the other side of the Tajik peace agreement. Sayyid Abdullah Nuri and Imam Ali Rahman, the president, have signed the agreement in 1997 that ended the 5 years of civil war. Here we can show you a video from the moment of signing the peace agreement in Moscow. Here is the also the Islamic Party participate in elections. In 2010, Islamic Party got at least 14% of the votes that made Imam Ali Rahman very angry. From this year, Imam Ali Rahman has been planning to break the party, and with the pretext of bloody September events in the last year, not only banned the party, but arrested more than 200 of its high-ranking members. The Islamic Revival Party has participated in all parliamentary elections in 2000, 2005, 2010 and 2015. Until 2015, the party had 2 seats in the parliament. Here also we have a video from elections, parliamentary elections, that activities that party had in past years. This was the first part of this side event that I want to give you a little information about Tajikistan and the parties in Tajikistan.